Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act 1955 and rules thereunder 1976. And this is part 1. Introduction. An act to provide for the levy and collection of duties of excise on medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp, or other narcotic drugs or narcotic. Alcohol is an important industrial solvent, excellent preservative, and a therapeutic agent. It is, however, likely to be misused and it could be a drug of addiction. Euphoric drink. Before enactment of this act, there was chaotic condition prevailing in the country in relation to price structure of alcohol as a raw material and formulation containing alcohol. Some states were rich in production of alcohol, while others were utilizing this as a raw material in manufacture of formulation. In the absence of uniform excise policy, the price structure of alcohol containing medicines was varying from state to state within the country. In order to overcome this difficulty and to ensure that uniform structure of excise duty for alcohol product exists, this act was enacted. The act is effectively implemented throughout India from 15th April 1957. The act has 11 chapters and 21 sections. For excise duty to be an effective alcohol control measures, duty increases need to increase annually in relation to inflation and income. It has found that increasing the level of minimum price per unit leads to step reduction in alcohol consumption and related harms. Excise duty. An excise or excise tax in a, is an inland tax. It is different from custom duties. In other words, an excise is considered as indirect tax. In common terminology, but not necessarily in law, an excise is distinguished from a sales tax or VAT, value-added tax, in three ways. An excise typically applies to a narrower range of products. An excise is typically heavier, accounting for a higher fraction of the retail price of the targeted product. And an excise is typically per unit tax, costing specific amount for a volume or unit of the item purchased, whereas a sales tax or VAT is an ad valorem tax and proportional to the price of the good. In India, an excise is described as an indirect tax levied and collected on the goods manufactured in India. The act is extended throughout India. The Excise Duties Act is sometimes referred as sin tax. Types of excise tax: basic, additional, and special. Excisable goods. The term excisable goods means the goods which are specified in the first schedule and the second schedule to the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985 has been subject to a duty of excise. Objectives of the Act. The Medicinal and Toilet Preparation or Excise Duty Act 1955 was passed with the following objectives: to provide for the collection of levy and duties of excise on medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, narcotic drugs, or narcotics; to provide the uniformity in the rules and rates of excise duties leviable on such preparation throughout the countries. Definitions. Alcohol. Alcohol means ethyl alcohol of any strength and purity having chemical composition C2H6OH. Dutiable goods. Uh, it includes uh, it includes the medicinal and preparations specified in the schedule as being subject to the duties of excise levy under this act. Medicinal preparation. It includes the drug used as a remedy or prescription prepared for internal or external use of human being or animals, and all substances intended to be used for or in treatment, mitigation, or prevention of disease in human being or animal. Toilet preparation. The preparation intended to be used in the toilet of human body or in perfuming apparels of any description, or any substance intended to cleanse, improve, or alter the complexion, skin, hair, or teeth, and include deodorant and perfumes. Ad valorem, in proportion to the estimated value of the goods. Bonded manufacturing. It means the premises or any part of the premises approved and licensed for the manufacture and storage of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp, and other narcotic drugs or narcotic on which duty has not been paid. Non-bonded manufacturing. It means the premises or any part of the premises approved and licensed for the manufacture and storage of medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol, opium, Indian hemp, and other narcotic drugs or narcotics on which duty has been paid. Denatured spirit or denatured alcohol. It means alcohol of any strength which has been rendered unfit for human consumption by addition of substances approved by the central government or by the state government, which with the approval of the central government. Spirit store. It is the part of the bonded or non-bonded manufacturing used for the storage of alcohol, opium, Indian hemp, and other narcotic drug or narcotic purchase free of duty or at prescribed rate of duty specified in the schedule to the Act. Absolute alcohol means alcohol conforming to the British Pharmacopoeia specification for dehydrated alcohol. Excise Commissioner means the head of the excise administration of the state and include a prohibition commissioner and also an officer designated in any state as a prohibition or excise director. Rectified spirit means plain undenatured alcohol of a strength not less than 50 over proof and include absolute alcohol. Restricted preparations. These are medicinal preparations which are considered as capable of being misused or ordinary alcohol beverages. Unrestricted preparations means any medicinal preparation containing alcohol but other than a restricted preparation or spurious preparation and not capable of being misused or ordinary alcoholic beverages. Officer in charge means an officer of the excise department of any state appointed by the collecting government to otherwise work in a bonded manufactory or a bonded warehouse and include officers of any other department similarly appointed. Manufacturer means a person to whom a license has been granted for the manufacture of a dutiable goods. Finished store means the portion of a non-bonded or bonded manufactory which is set apart from the storage of its finished preparation. Substandard preparation. It is a pharmacopoeial preparation in which the amount of any of the various ingredients is below the minimum that the pharmacopoeial composition would require for a proprietary medicine which does not conform to the formula or the list of the ingredients disclosed on the label on the container or on the container. Licensing procedures. Manufacturing of alcoholic and narcotic preparation can only be undertaken under the authority of a license granted for the purpose and such a license is issued only if the requisite license for the manufacture of drug under Drugs and Cosmetic Act and rules has been first obtained. Application for the license or for its renewal is to be made for licensing authority who is excise commissioner in the case of a bonded manufactory or warehouse and in other cases such officer as a government may authorize in this behalf. The applicant for the license should submit it in the prescribed form accompanied with the prescribed fee at least 2 months from the proposed date of commencement of the manufacture. The following particulars are required to be submitted in the application for obtaining license to manufacture dutiable goods in or out bond. Name and address of the applicant and place and site on which the manufactory is situated is to be constructed. If the applicant be a firm, the name and address of every partner of a firm, and if it is a company, its register name and address and the name and the address of its director, manager and managing agent. The amount of the capital proposed to be invested in the venture, the upon approximately date from which the applicant desire to commence the manufacturing and statement whether the bonded laboratory will require the service of a whole time or a time excise officer and whether quarters for the excise staff will be provided within the manufactory or its vicinity. The number and full description of beds, steel and other permanent apparatus and the machines which the applicant wishes to get up together with the maximum quantity of alcohol at alcohol content in the finished preparation and the maximum quantity by weight of opium, Indian hemp or other narcotic drugs or narcotic and their content in the finished and unfinished preparation. The site and elevation plans of the manufacturing building and also similar plans for the quantity of the excise officers together with relevant record. The amount in cash or government promissory notes with the applicant in preparation is prepared furnished for the due performance of the condition on which the license may be granted, the kind and number of each license under the Drugs and Cosmetic Act held by the applicant, a list of the all preparations which the applicant proposes to manufacture and or those manufactured during the preceding year, showing the percentage or a proportion of alcohol in alcohol preparation or opium, Indian name or other narcotic drugs in terms of weight in proportion containing those substances, quoting the pharmacopoeia under which such substances were proposed to be manufactured. On receipt of application, the licensing authority may inquire into the following: the qualification and previous experience of technical personnel engaged in the manufacturing operations, the equipment of the bonded and non-bonded laboratory, soundness of the applicant's financial position, suitability of the proposed building for the establishment of the manufacturing unit. Differences in payment of fees between manufacturing in bond and manufacturing outside the bond. Manufacturing in bond, consumption of alcohol less than 4,000 liter or per year is rupees 100. Consumption of alcohol 125 liter per year rupees 10. Consumption of alcohol more than or equal to 4,000 liter per year or rupees 200. Consumption of alcohol 126 to 499 liter per year rupees 25. Self generating alcohol by distillation in Ayurvedic and Unani medicine rupees 25. Consumption of alcohol less than 4,000 liter per year rupees 100. Self generating alcohol by distillation in Ayurvedic and Unani medicine rupees 25. Thank you so much.